Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you the method of downloading games from the web store. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then, search for Chrome Web Store on the search bar to search. The first link opens the Chrome Web Store. Then search for the game on the search bar. Then search for car game on the search bar again. And open the first Ultimate Car game. Then click on Add to Chrome. And press on Add Extension. And your downloading will start below. After that, your download will be complete. You can also run it. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.